My name is Avishya Arora. My school name is Indian High School. I love Kidzania. Thank you so much. My name is Nachiketa. Grade step 2. I get to go to Kidzania today. I eat some donuts and some candy. And I have so much fun.
I would really want to thank the school for organizing such trips. The kids really have fun and really love coming to school. Really appreciate all of this, and I'm sure because we've had so many excursions this year. It's a great exposure to the kids as well, and an amazing location like Kidzania, which has so many like real-time role play activities for the kids. So it's definitely a good experience for the kids. Thank you.
To Kidzania, I had lots of fun.
What did you make?
We made candy, pizza, and we were playing, enjoying being firefighters.
So you enjoyed there?
Yes,
It was fun for you?
yes,
So would you like to go again to Kidzania?
yes.
Okay.
Priyanka, father of Kavish. We are really happy we got this school for all this exposure only, because other schools are not so much exposed. Like we have so many educational trips for kids, like these small kids getting this much exposure, and it's a really nice thing. Thank you so much, Indian High School.
Thank you.
स्कूल के बारे में जितना भी कहा जाए कम है। बहुत ही अच्छा है स्कूल इस मामले में कि एक एक बच्चे पे प्रॉपर फोकस करना, देखना कि बच्चे की क्या क्वालिटीज हैं, क्या प्लस है, क्या माइनस है, माइनस को करेक्ट करना, प्लस को और ज़्यादा फोकस करके आगे ले आना, और एक्सपोजर को इतना और इतनी चीज़ें सिखा।
Students, you are enjoying? Okay, Kidzania police.
आपको पता है सेरिब्रो कैसे बनता है? ओके, जैसे बच्चों के लिए कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग ग्रेप्स जैसे व्हीट, राइस, ओट्स, बार्ली एंड फ्रूट्स लाइक एप्पल, ऑरेंज, मैंगो, पोमेग्रेनेट, ब्लैककरंट वेट एक एक करके